So what are the files? We have many ones. You have .x for example files you can use or remove if you don't need them. In the copyright, you specify the license for all the source files and which license should apply for those files. It is mandatory, and you should really care of what are the available licenses for your upstream code. So I won't put the details here, but of course you can see that you can put the year, the author, it can be yourself, a company, etc. It can be GPL, any license that has applied to this code. We have the control file. The default one, so you have many files, has created a package, a binary package, training, for the training code, and training doc. We will want more. In our case, we want a binary package, a library package, and a dev package. You can also specify where is upstream code, where we can find the source with Git or SVN, etc., etc. Description. Build depends, which package is needed to build the package, and depends what are the packages needed for the runtime execution. So at installation, what do you need? So in our case, say you want a binary package, architecture any mean, it will apply to all kinds of architectures, but it's architecture dependent. If you want architecture independent package, will we use all value for the architecture, just like doc, for example. You don't need a different package for all architectures. You will have only one binary package. So let's start to specify other packages. We want a binary package, that's fine, that's already specified here. We also want a library package, so we will use here libtraining, for example, which will be architecture dependent. It will be the share library. We'll also have a package libtraining-dev kit architecture any description the development headers and lib and blah blah. It will depend on libtraining. And our binary will also need the library at runtime. So we had a dependency on libtraining. So now we should have three binary packages: training, libtraining, and libtraining-dev. In rules, we specify how to build the package. There's a default. Developer apply all the developer rules on the package. We can also have custom rules. Override some rules, for example, for the cleanup, to specify that we should remove some files or some specific build options, etc. We'll see later on. Now, where should my files go? I should specify for each package where the binary, where the .so, etc., etc. should go. So in our case, for example, here we would specify training.install for the binary package. Specify the location of the file. Here it will be Debian TMP. And in generated files we have, for example, here squares. This is the binary generated for this training example. And in the binary package we want to put it under USR bin. You see that there is no leading slash because it's always relative path. We also want to add the man page, right? In this case, for example, man1 dash everything under man1 directory under USR share man1. We do the same for the other packages. Training.install. Here we want to copy userlib /nsa. That is so here we copy the shell libraries and in userlib. That's all we need for the lib training. And for lib training dev, we want to copy Debian TMP userlib, the static library. We want to copy also all the header files generated by the build. Everything is behind Debian TMP because the developer automatically adds a prefix for the install step to be under Debian TMP. And we want to copy also the .so symlink to the version shell library to userlib. We have many other files. We have the specify the man pages, the documentation, etc. to be more specific, to give additional symlinks. For example, depending on your package, you can create symlinks with the .links file, etc. You can get everything in the PDF material for additional information. We also have the post-rm, post, preinst, postinst, etc. You can have a quick look, which will apply during the installation of the package. And we have different rules according if we are in a configure step, in a purge, deconfigure, etc. And the developer, it's some developer macro that will automatically add a few stuff depending on the package. So let's copy, move the postinst text to post. Remove the X extension. No, don't really need it for the moment. So we have, in our case, we have no specific post installation steps, so we'll just skip this for the moment. But if you have a specific installation steps, you can put it in those files. I have postinst, post-rm, etc. So let's try to build again the package. So we go back at the source directory, the root directory of the file. Let's try a clean step. Debian rules clean. You should always be able to execute a clean step to revert to the original status of the code before any build. And you should really take care with the clean step, for example, to remove all files generated by the build and not removed by a clean step of your makefile, for example. So dpkg build package dot dash rfake root. Let's build again. Oops. There is an error. Okay. Okay, yes. I have Debian. I have changed the binary packages. I have removed the training doc, so I should not get this. Okay. If you change the declaration, if you add or remove some binary packages, you should be in the original step. So I have removed the doc because I removed the binary doc package. So it builds again. So this step is exactly the same. Okay, so here an error. You see that the install step failed because there was an error in my declaration in the install file. There was a typo error. So it's gonna fix this. libtrainingdev.install. There is a control that if you specify some directories that do not exist, there is an error. And that's fine because I don't want unwanted behavior or unwanted files. It will be a full rebuild of the package for each dpkg build package run. Okay, now I see there is a training package, a libtraining, and a libtrainingdev. Let's have a look now on the content. On the package. Contents. And now, compared to the first time, I see that I have user-ben squeeze. So my binary is installed in the binary package. So if I install this package, I will have in user-bin my executable. Let's have a look. Libtraining. Let's go. In libtraining, I have all my .so version files. That's fine. And in libtrainingdev, I have the .so symlink. So now I have a full package ready for install. I can try the installation of this package now. sudo dpkg.here. So I will first install the library, as I need the library before the binary. And now I can try the installation of the binary package, for example. Okay. I can check that my binary. Okay. Okay, let's see. There is an error, not libtraining, but training package. And now my executable is here. Perfect. So I have built a full binary package ready for install.